Okay, I wanted to quickly show you how to add on these ties to help to relieve some pressure from your ear. You want to make a loop, come around, hold with one hand just a small amount of the elastic and push the rest of the elastic up to it. That way you have the most hanging off of the end as possible. I'm going to put 2 of these on here. So that way it'll hold it like higher and lower. And for most people, this is helping. There are some men's ones that are still larger that we're gonna have to make the masks larger and really, really pull this tight so it doesn't snap off. But this seems to be helping to relieve some of the pressure. So I'm gonna be putting these in the bags with the masks for everyone, for you guys to do your DIY. Okay. So I already had done these ones, but I just wanted to show you how to tie on this additional string to help to relieve the pressure from behind your ears. We found that adding the 4 of them helps. Hold the end just a little bit with your finger and then bring the other one up close as tight as you can. Pull everything super tight. By having the 4 on there, it's going to hold it like up higher on your head and lower on your head. For most of the masks, this is working. Then I'm going to take with a lighter and just burn the edges really quick so they don't fray away. I'm leaving this up to you guys because it's something pretty simple that you can do, and we are putting these ties in the bags when you pick them up. If you have any questions, please let me know.